Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a profile picture on your groups on Zotero. So once you sign into Zotero, click on groups at the top. You'll find your groups. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on manage profile of that group. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see the profile image on the right hand side. You have the space for that. You can choose image by select any image of your choice. Click on that, upload, and you will be able to upload your image. Keep in mind that the image must be less than 512 kilobytes. So if you have an image that is larger than that, then it will not work. So I'm gonna just choose a random image here. Let's see if this one is smaller. It should work if the image is actually smaller. So if the image is larger, guys, then you have to try to ensure that you have a smaller image. As I can see here that these images are actually larger in size, so I just have to find an image that is smaller. And that's all you have to do. Once you find that perfect image, guys, that you can use on your Zotero, then you can easily go ahead and add that as your profile picture. As you can see, I just add a picture here. I finally find something, and that actually works. And that's it. Go ahead and click on Save Settings, and that should be it. Very easy and very simple.